Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's freezing cold. I got my jacket on. I've actually been out doing stuff, so I thought I'd quickly come and do a video on my beer that I made just recently. So if you're interested in knowing what the Anzac Biscuit Ale tastes like, stick around. But firstly, I want to start off with a couple of things with the channel. As you guys know who follow my channel, you know that I do all grain brewing as well as extract brewing. I've got a couple of extract brews happening. One experimental one smash happening. I also had to do a few upgrades with my Grainfather because some of you have no issues at all that I know with your rubber band that goes around your tray and top and bottom tray. That's fine, it's great, but I'm having too many issues and it just drove me nuts. And I know a lot of you out there are having a lot of issues as well with your Grainfathers, but they have a solution and I have the product finally. I went to Keg King and they have supply of this in their store. I'll leave a link down below for that. And what they are, top and bottom plates, rolled ends, rolled edges. Have a look at that. If you guys can see that, I'll give you a good look at it with the camera there. Nice rolled edges. They will increase my fun in using Grainfathers. I'll unbox this as well. Basically, the Grainfather has been something that I've pretty much considered selling, mainly because I have so much trouble getting the top and bottom plate in properly. Now, a lot of people out there gave me lots of advice, and the only way I got the Grainfather to even work properly was to actually dust my top and bottom plates, the original top and bottom plates, which I don't have handy at the moment. I'll put a picture up here to show you what I mean. Every time you push these into your Grainfather, the silicone roll would grip and roll off. It just drove me nuts. And at times it would take me 15-20 minutes just to get the bottom plate in. I want to have an uninterrupted brewing session, and I think these are going to fix that problem big time. So I'm really looking forward to looking at them. So I'll show you that one. That's the bottom plate. So the little pole attaches to that and sticks up through the Grainfather. Yeah, you know what goes on. So that's those two. They're a bit of an improvement. They are super strong compared to the others. We flex them. The others you can bend them and they go out of shape after a while. These ones are really, really well made, as you can tell. Looking forward to brewing with those. I am going to do an all grain brew this weekend coming, so that will probably come out in a couple of weeks. So that's another one. I also want to talk about my Anzac Biscuit Ale, which is an ale. I had a nice big comment on my video for this one, and yeah, the guy was legit. He was right. But the purpose of making this was to get a biscuity, which, you know, Anzac biscuits are a biscuit tasting, coconut flavoured with a bit of a hit of molasses or golden syrup. And I'll tell you what, the recipe works. Basically, we steeped the grains at 69 degrees Celsius, 69 degrees, which takes out those non-fermentable sugars that you get when you brew. If you brew at lower temperatures, of course, you get the more fermentable sugars, which will ferment down lower to give you a much more alcohol volume as well as much more tart, less sweet beer. But that's not the purpose of this one. This one was purposely brewed at 69 degrees Celsius to get the sweetness out of it to taste like the biscuit it's made to copy. Anyway, I'll leave a link to that and we'll taste it and smell it. Right. Now I've had it, trust me, I've had it already. I've tried it before. It's really, really nice. Of course, as it ages, it changes a little bit, but now I'm getting that nice beer smell. It's very fresh beer smell. Coconut is just there, and I didn't do the coconut the way it was supposed to be done. I did it a bit different. I used shredded coconut instead of the really fine chopped coconut, but it didn't make a difference. The flavour is still there and the smell is still there. The beer smells great. It is beautiful. It just smells professionally made. Really, really good. I can tell you now, it's got a malty smell, very strong malty smell. Really good creamy feel to the smell. The head was there. You saw the photo at the start of this video. Actually, I'll show you the photo. So as you can see, the head's there. It's beautiful and creamy. and it stays for quite some time. As you can see, it's still here. It's been sitting here for about 10 minutes now. And carbonation is quite mild. It's not bad carbonation in that. It's thickly, it's a thick texture. Very nice mouth feel. And I'll tell you what, it's got a creamy taste. I'll tell you now. Hang on. Oh, it's good. You can taste the malt. You can taste the sweetness, which is what you want. It does taste just like a biscuit. I mean, really, it tastes like a biscuit. And isn't this what we want to do, is make beer that tastes great? This is why you simply brew, like in Simple Home Brew, and make beer that tastes great. It doesn't matter how you do it, as long as it tastes great. So a small amount of bitterness, not much. Mostly creamy flavoured. That would be from the oats, I would say. And there's no yeasty scent or smell. It does have a beer taste, which is fine. It's beer. It's meant to. And the coconut is just beautifully lingering. It's very, very nice. It's one of the best beers I've made in a very long time. I'm not being biased, but oh, wow, that's a good flavour. It's just so sweet. It's so nice. Really, really wrapped with it. Guys, if you want to brew this, get onto it. Go buy a kit from KegLands and give it a try. It really is really good. I want to savour it. I am going to make another one. I'm going to try a couple of little tricks, but couldn't make it better than this. That is very nice. It's about 4.1% alcohol, which is perfect. You can't get too pissed on it. And you can drink it with mates and relax. It's, like I said, it's got a really soft mouth feel. It, of course, laces around the glass nicely. It's just a beautiful beer. I'm very happy with it. Thank you. And guys, I'm sorry I'm lingering a bit with this, but I'm very proud of this one. It really turned out to be a really, really good beer. Coming up in the next week or two, a wine video again, and a couple of unboxing videos, as well as a extract video, which I think some of you have been waiting for this. I'm doing an extract experiment with Cooper's. I'm trying to make an NE-IPA using Cooper's extract, which is, I'll tell you about it in the video. Don't worry, I'll tell you. And they're both, as you can see, there's two bags just sitting here, one there, one there. They've both got the beers in it. They're going to get transferred into a keg very soon. And, yeah, so there's 3 beers coming, and a hope, and a smash. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. I'm doing a smash, all grain smash, which is, smash is single malt and single hop. Something I haven't done before, and I was asked probably a year ago now by some of the subscribers out there if I could do one, and I've done one, so hopefully that comes out good, and I'll tell you all about that in the video too. And also I need to tell you that I have visited the Gabs, Great Australasian Beer Spectacular, I think that's right, it is. Yeah, Great Australasian Beer Spectacular in Melbourne last week or so. Well, last week. And here I have already posted 5 videos at the moment. I've got 2 more to go. I'm also doing a video. It's just one of those videos where my patrons are going to get to see, you guys aren't. So there's going to be a long 15-minute video that's exactly the same with extras in it. Only my patrons can see that, so that's fine. And I have another channel that I'm going to share this video on as well. So if you guys are interested in having a look at that, jump on my other channel. It's called Pierre's Adventures. And yeah, so that's all there is. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being part of this channel. And we'll see you next time. Cheers. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous beer. Oh, I can drink this all night.